The Truedepth camera not working can be a frustrating issue for users of devices equipped with this advanced technology. The Truedepth camera, developed by Apple, is a front-facing camera system that incorporates various sensors including an infrared camera, flood illuminator, and dot projector. It enables features such as facial recognition, portrait mode, and any emoji on devices like iPhone X10 and newer models. When the Truedepth camera fails to work, it can prevent users from accessing important features and functionalities. This issue can manifest as an error message stating that Truedepth camera is not available or is experiencing problems. Several factors can contribute to the Truedepth camera not working. It could be due to software glitch, a hardware malfunction, or physical damage to the camera components. Software-related issues may be resolved by restarting the device, updating the operating system, or resetting camera settings. In cases where the problem persists, it is recommended to seek assistance from an authorized service provider or Apple support. They can diagnose and address hardware-related issues such as faulty camera modules or damaged cables. The Truedepth camera not working can be particularly frustrating for users who rely on features like Face ID or who enjoy using augmented reality applications. However, with proper troubleshooting and support, it is possible to resolve the issue and restore the functionality of the advanced camera system, allowing users to fully enjoy the feature and capabilities of their devices again. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.